What's going on? My name is Hay and welcome back for day 18 of the grade. Today we're talking about how to create that vintage look. So to do this, you need to have a little warm color cast on your image. You need to have some grain, some haze. Overall, you just want to soften your image. And so to do that, we're going to use the film look creator here. I didn't label it, but that's the film look creator. And you're going to go in your balance node. What I did was I warmed up the image slightly by pulling my lift node over to the left. As you see, it's slightly increasing. So this is it normally, and then just lift it up very slightly. Now for the film look creator. Still doing like a film emulation. So you're going to use the film look creator to work on this. You want to add halation, add bloom, you're going to add grain. So I'm going to show you, turn these off, turn that off. See a halation, you see a bloom, and then we have a lot of grain going on. And that's what vintage looks, you add a lot of grain. This is a very strong for my liking, so I will turn this down a little bit. But you do want grain in your image. And so I'm just actually gonna turn it back to 35. So we're still working in the same power grade we've been working in. Like I said, I will introduce a new one shortly. This power grade has carried us through this whole grading process. That's it for day 18 of the grade. Tune in for day 19 where I'll talk about how to create that commercial look. Deuces.